Good morning, Kari. Good morning, sweater. We're going to seam the sleeve today. Okay, so I did one sleeve already. Let me show you what it looks like. All right. Yes, so this is the shoulder at the bottom of the screen. And then I seamed it like this, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing over here. All right. So now this is a little different than the shoulder because we're seaming stitches that are going this way, vertically, with horizontally. So you start down here with the underarm and you hug the yarn just like we did for the shoulder sleeves. All right, so I can see that the yarn is like coming around this way. That's where I'm going to start. Okay, now I'm going to go here with the horizontal stitches, and I'm going to go down and up. So see, there are like two ladders here. I'm going to go down under one ladder and up through the next one. Then I go down where the first stitch came up, hug the next. Down where that stitch came up, under two. And I keep on going all the way through. And I won't tighten it until later so you can see what the stitches are doing. Okay, now I can see that I probably have more blue stitches than tan. So I will probably skip a blue stitch. Yeah. This is called easing in. So we're just easing some of these extra blue stitches in so that we have plenty of room. There we go. So I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches left that are blue. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are tan. So I'm going to have to skip 2 more blue stitches, and we're going to skip one now, and we'll skip one at the end of the row. So there's a bit of an art to easing in. You can keep it very scientific if you want to and divide how many extra stitches you have by the length of the sleeve, but usually it all comes out in the wash, honestly. And I'm going to do this to the other side of the sleeve as well, but first I'll tighten this side so that you can see how it looks when we're all done. It's kind of magical. There you go.